All the Supras are starting. They all had to angle up. It's pretty funny. Would you rather own a Skyline or a Supra? Time to try the chicken. Today's an exciting day. I received a letter from my good friend Hannah and Austin. I have no idea what this is. They just said they sent me a letter and it has stuff in it. So they're waterproof stickers that she designed herself.
Whoa, that's so cool.
And she misses us and she says hi. These are supposed to be, I believe, car interiors, but they are fun little designs. Very cool. Thank you, Hannah. Go check out Hannah's stuff. Hannah Draws. She just opened up a new Patreon. Go check that out. Every month you'll get postcards and stickers. So these two are probably my favorite, but these are designed and inspired by Pasha Interiors. I had to look that up. I'm sorry, I'm not the biggest Porsche guy, but they're very, very cool. I definitely like the green one and the orange one though. Taking the 350 today. What is up, y'all? It is Matt and Dang. Today it is a Friday. We are headed to our favorite local show currently called Cars and Stars at Hoshi Cafe. Meeting up with a few friends, a few VQ friends especially. Excited for tonight and then excited to see what we see. We are here. It took 30 minutes. What up? How long did you own yours for?
Me?
Yeah.
2 years.
I would trade my Z for this. I would. Look at this.
Do you have original 0?
Oh.
Could I do the original? Yeah. Thank you.
I will also have an original, please.
Thanks, y'all.
Oh
Is y'all's little car here too?
Yes.
Y'all
I
are
gotta
my
go look
favorite
at that
people.
thing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate y'all.
Original?
Oh yeah. Sick. Look at this Evo 10 with hella horns and red flaps. They took the wing off. See?
I'm not used to seeing them.
I know.
Yeah.
Still looks nice still. I like the wing on the Evo 10.
I do as well.
I really like the front.
Hood, yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
Do you like Evo 10s?
Yeah, I'm a fan. Oh, did I not show you that picture? 1 second.
No. I kind of relate the Veloster N to the Evo 10 sometimes in terms of like
Dude,
rarity.
he pulled up to the car wash. And I was
Rarity
like,
and performance.
Matt's here in his Veloster. It was not you.
Supra. Ooh.
Juicy head. That's the one instead.
Yeah. An EN. A blue one. Dark blue. Cool. They got the light up cool seats.
Really?
You gonna get one of those? Would you?
No.
No. What would you get if in this price range now?
I'll do another one.
Another Veloster? Gonna check out my buddy Rob's new car. Look at this. Clean 90s vehicle. Yo, I like the green and gold actually though. This is like super nice. You get any like stranger compliments, non-car people guys telling you your car's sick yet?
Pretty much like old people.
All the old people be saying that? Dude, your car's sick.
Like I went downtown.
Let me sit in this thing.
Any fatties?
Let me sit in this thing.
Bumper that I want. Well, I want the real bumper.
Ooh.
You got a turnkey? Got that
Damn. Same with my Z though. I don't have a remote start.
I only have a key fob.
Oh, sheesh. Smells like nice car. Damn.
Same radio as me. Wait, how
Smells good in there. Nice.
That's the camera.
I would daily drive that. Got rid of the Veloster and for this.
Be like, let me reach over real quick. Hey, we can bring the whole family in here, baby. And he got Apple CarPlay.
It's nice. Big boy. These are big. Wait, what is that for? On the back. Is that a wing?
It's an extra mirror to see better when you're backing up. Isn't that really cool?
Wow, that's cool.
Yep. And then we got our back window open too. That's badass.
Oh, they opened the back window.
Yep.
Nice. My buddies. What up? How's it going? Good. I feel like the drive every time I come here gets like 5 minutes longer, even though there's no traffic.
Yeah.
I was like, dude, I'm pretty sure I thought this meet was 20 minutes away, and it took me like 30 to get
Yeah,
here.
it took me like, it said 30 minutes, it took like 40 minutes.
Yeah.
And there was no traffic out.
I know.
We were saying too, like why is it so far?
I know. Oh, you got the taillights?
Yeah, I finally got them.
Whoa.
They look great.
They look awesome.
I love that. When they turn, when the lights are on, they look like a spider.
Let me see. I need new headlights and taillights. Aside from mechanical stuff, I think that's kind of some of the next stuff I want to do.
They like HR style headlights.
HR headlights?
Looks really nice.
Oh, that looks, the red actually shows a lot more. Can you turn on the blinker? Wait, no, does this do anything?
Nah, that's just a, I don't know, a reflector, I think.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's right.
Because it
Yeah.
indicates at the bottom.
Yeah, that's right.
So I think it's just a,
Oh, it looks good.
I love how it looks so much.
Yeah. What wheels are those? Rotiform or something? These?
All those?
Yeah.
1552s, I think.
1552.
I think that's what
They look very rotiformy from the outside. Yeah, I see the 52. I wasn't sure what it's called. Miata. Rainbow Miata. Whoa. Old GTI.
Yeah, I saw the
Cool. They got some nice wheels. Another Elantra and a white one. I like their plate frame.
It's a Honda today. Wow. What's this?
Cool. Hey, it's for sale, babe.
These are kind of fun. These are fun little things.
The front looks very beady, doesn't it?
Oh, it's a manual here, you know?
Yeah, that's so
And
cool.
look, it's got those initial seats and no space in the back, just like a proper K. Wow.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Veloce side skirts and the rear diffuser and front diffuser.
It's my favorite car here.
You see that?
Manual.
The Elantra?
Yeah.
That looks good. I really like the front of this one. It looks really nice. What's coming in here? cool, Rob. Evo 4. It's clean. With white Volks with the red writing. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah. See what I was saying about MRTs though? Like, even though they're like a rare car you don't really see on the street, when you go to shows you see at least like a couple.
Yeah.
Just as often as you see Zs, I think, to me. At least clean
They're
MR2s,
really cool.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always enjoyed
They're all taken care of though. I like the wrap style. All the Supras are starting. That one is loud. I'll just keep walking. Damn, that is a loud Supra. That is loud. Oh no. I haven't seen one of these, especially at a show. But these are rare. Wow, I haven't seen one of these up close. Cool.
Got some height on them. I've never really realized that.
Yeah, this thing's like taller than me. Almost. It's almost as tall as me. SSR. These things are crazy. Remember when they were all over the place? They came out around the same time as the Z, I'm pretty sure. Wow. The front looks so Chrysler Crossfire-y.
You're really locked in there. Looks like a roller coaster almost.
What a cool car. They all had to angle up. It's pretty funny. Honda today. Bye. Slamming the pedal the whole time too.
Yeah, you're just pushing your foot.
I know he's trying to go.
Flat foot shifting even. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's another Z here, so I have to check it out. I noticed it looked similar to mine in terms of aesthetic. Nice. I like the front bumper and front headlights.
Yeah.
I don't know how good those would look with the eyelids. I think I'd have to
I don't
remove
think that would
eyelids
work
if
with
I would do that, but I like the front bumper. Very slanty.
What is
I think it's the Nismo front bumper. I'm
what
not
is
sure
the
though.
legality of tint in this state?
I don't know. I think it's 30%. Most people go like 10% or like 5% tint out here.
I was just curious. I'm not too familiar with that in the state. I like that they didn't get rid of their antenna.
Yeah, the
Something
antenna looks
about
cool on
that's
the
really
car.
charming. Yeah.
Like the old school antenna. I got rid of mine. Classic.
I like antennas on the auto.
I like the
but
sticker.
over time.
Would you rather own a Skyline or a Supra?
Skyline.
Like 100% of the time.
Yeah.
Any particular model? 34, 33, 32, 35,
34.
34,
What about you?
34, 32. I'm not
Solid
as much of a
choices.
33 fan as most people.
Yeah.
Nice. Love me an Evo. Oh, that's nice looking car. MR2.
They kind of grow.
Yeah, bro, I was telling you, it's like one of the coolest cars ever. Mid-engine, you don't gotta be all hunched over, you can just work on it from the back, pop open the trunk. They're not that fast. They sound cool, they look nice. Pop-up headlights that fucking work. Yeah. I don't know, they remind you of like a RX-7 FC, but easier, maybe not easier to work on, but like just different.
Probably more reliable.
Yeah, probably more reliable. I don't know. I like MR2s a lot. They're like one of the cars that I would get still.
Oh, these kids look so good.
Swanging around in the parking lot. There it is. That's a nice truck. I like this. You see their plate? Chihuahua.
Yeah.
Those gauges are cool. We're not going to In-N-Out today, y'all. We're going to Jollibee. It'll be my first time ever. I've been wanting to go to Jollibee for like 10 years now. Oh my god, I got my chicken and spaghetti.
You're gonna enjoy it.
I've been wanting this spaghetti for years, babe.
Damn years.
Only after
I've never tried
this
this.
one.
I've never tried the Filipino spaghetti before, and I've always wanted to.
Damn, no adobo, right?
Thing's not much of a spaghetti girl. Time to try the chicken. I guess I need to do this too. Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Valid.
Mmm.
That's how you do it.